Hello, hello, upper school students. This is Mr. Engstrom, and I'm going to walk you guys through the why and then the logistics of setting up your own Launchpad so you guys have access to all the resources that you need to be successful. In a nutshell, Power School didn't serve us very well. You guys know that. We heard you, and we wanted to do something better. So the department chairs got together, and this is where we landed. We landed on Launchpad, so each one of your classes is going to have an icon that'll be the gateway for all the learning that you need. So you'll know what's coming up and how to learn more and more. So what you're going to do, if in your inbox you've already gotten it sent to you. So let's start by going File, Make a Copy, and then you can name it what you want, but this is going to be shared with your parents and any tutors that you have. So probably keep it something standard like that. And then you're going to be tempted to start clicking on all of these and trying to figure out which ones are your classes and which ones aren't. And that's fine, but the problem that you're going to have is you could mess it up, and then you're going to have a botched system and you're going to have to recreate it. So the first thing you should do is go to your share settings, go to advanced, and then I would click on anyone with the link. We're going to share this with your parents, your advisor, tutors. So I think that's the easiest. If you want to just do specific people and you type everyone's email in, that's fine as well. But once you do that, you'll know anybody you share the link with will have it. From there, you're going to go to your classes, and your teachers are basically going to say, nope, 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 that's ours. They're going to, each row this is the fine arts row, for example. So each row has specifics. And if you're taking 2 history classes, you're going to end up with 2 history icons, for example. And math, you're basically going to keep deleting until you're left with the class. So you get the point. So I'll try to do this quickly. So what you'll end up with is something that looks like this, and you can leave it vertically if you want. You can also try to give you an example here. Maybe what you want to do is have them all like that, and then you'll have all your classes in a row. And we're not married to these icons. If you want to change the icons, it doesn't matter. But having the links to all your classes, I think, obviously will be beneficial. So that's the why and that's the how, and hopefully you guys will find this a great way to access your courses. Thanks a lot. Bye.